Welcome to this explainer. Let's dive right into why your brain feels totally fried and how to reset it. You've got a pocket supercomputer, endless movies, and instant food. So, why do you still feel so empty? Well, we're constantly bombarded. Rapid-fire digital alerts ping us literally every single waking moment of the day. Add endless media to that mix, and we're just moving at this frantic, overstimulating pace that never stops. Still feeling empty? Yeah, it's rough. Let's break down the actual brain science behind this daily digital burnout. Dopamine is basically your brain's reward chemical. Every single scroll or like gives you a tiny addictive hit. But hey, your brain has a strict processing limit, and constant overstimulation is totally maxing out your capacity. Eventually, your stimulation baseline just crashes. Your brain gets so used to the chaos that normal life feels boring. The fix? You need a deliberate, 24-hour digital detox to cure this massive dopamine overload. It's a game changer. The rules are super simple. For 24 hours, no screens, no junk food, no music, just your thoughts. To truly heal, you've got to trade that cold, blue phone glare for the warm embrace of nature. That's exactly why creators use calm, flowing nature clips to visually represent this deeply relaxing reset phase. And there's a secret trick to making those visuals so calming: slowing the footage down to 0.8 speed. This specific slow motion effect artificially lowers the stimulation rate. It makes the clips feel highly premium and so relaxing. Combined with warm filters, this deliberate pacing slows down the world, creating a premium visual detox for your brain. By tomorrow, your brain's baseline recovers beautifully. You'll finally be able to find joy in the small things again. Most importantly, you will finally be able to focus deeply on your goals without that constant 5-second distraction. So here's my question for you. Will you actually unplug and reset your overstimulated brain this coming weekend?